Welcome CRO family, thanks for joining me today, March 16, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 13.9 cents, up 0.55% with volume down 41.09%. The price is ranging from a high of 15.0 cents and a low of 13.5. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,717,576,000 which is up, and a trading volume of 36,584,000 which is down. Etherscan is showing 307,212 holders, up 68. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com, with 39.02%, number 2 is Upbit with 14.43%, and number 3 OKX with 12.91%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.7 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 200,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir, take care.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.